Hello everyone, welcome back to SKCAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in Autodesk Inventor software. First I will create this base. This base overall length is 120 and width is 120, and here you can see there is a dia 40 and dia 18 circle is there. Thickness is 16 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Select sketch, select the plane, create one circle first, 40, give the dimension 120. So here we can give the horizontal constraint. So now select line, create line like this, give the dimension now, this is 120, from the center we can give the constraint. So now give the tangent constraint here. So this one dimension we required, can see the part is moving. Select this center point and this one. So now we can see sketch is fully constrained. Select line circle again, create dia 18 circle. So I think this is, it should take, okay. So select trim this line. So now finish sketch, extrude, select this face, this thickness we required 16 mm. Next select this surface, sketch, create circle here, give the dimension, height is 90 mm, diameter 60 and 30. Here to here 90. Select line. Friends, if you are enjoyed the session, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. So give the tangent constraint here. So now sketch is fully constrained, but we need to give one more dimension. Yes. So now we can see sketch is fully constrained because this line is not touching the circle. Select trim this line. So now finish sketch, extrude, select this face, reverse the direction, 16 mm is okay. Okay, something happened friends, here you can see edges are visible. Next go to first extrusion, edit sketch. We need to do some modification here. Give the dimension, this is 16. This line should cover like this. So trim these lines, not required. Okay, this is one also we need to delete. Now give the dimensions. So these lines I will do it mirror. Mirror about center line. So you can delete these lines, again it is asking, delete the dimension, later we can give. So now finish sketch. So now you can see exactly matching this surface. Next there is a one rib. For that select this surface, sketch, create one dia 40 circle first, give the dimension, from the bottom 45, from the side 50 mm. So now create lines. Okay, we need to create one profile here. That I will do it now only. So this dimension is 40 mm. So finish sketch, that height is 5 mm. So now go to this sketch, edit. Okay, just drag this up. Okay, now edit. Give the constraints here. Okay, trim this line, finish sketch, select rib, here select parallel to sketch plane, select sketch, rib thickness is 12 mm. Okay, next select this or select the mid plane, sketch, create one dia 40 circle, finish sketch, extrude, select symmetric, length we required 24 mm. Again there is a one hole, that hole dia is 16 mm. Select project geometry, select this circle, select here coincident, select this and this. So now sketch is fully constrained. reverse the direction through all. Okay. Next, select the surface, sketch, project geometry, select this, create one circle, give the dimension, finish sketch, extrude, the length is 9 mm. So this is the front view and ISO view. So you can compare it to the drawing. If anything is missing, you can leave the comment below. Now assign the material. Might this distance we need to reduce, I think. Okay, go to edit sketch. This is 120 plus 16. Okay, now it is matching. Go to assign material. So here there are all the standard materials you can assign as per your requirements. So I will go with aluminum 6061. It is the standard material. For aluminum, you can give the polishes like aluminum polished, aluminum cast, anodized block, anodized light gray. These are all the standard polishes for aluminum material. You can see this is the black anodization, this is the light gray. So I will go with this polish today. If you want, you can change the polishes as per your requirement. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me.